Ogbono. The Ogbono seeds are gotten from a tree in EFFRAYA. This is called the native or bush mango tree. When they are ripe, they fall on their own. They are then picked and taken to the women who cut them and extract them for sale or for consumption. The labor is usually divided based on gender. The men are responsible for picking and carrying the loads, while the women cutting and extracting the Ogbono seeds.
Work for this our Papa Joneno. May God give us power. No, we do them. Next year when they come again, may the Ogbono breakfast so. No, we tear. This Ogbono when they do like this, when they come here, when they do them, now like this when they do them. Now like this when they do them. When we tear and so oh we carry go dry. When we dry and we carry we go sell.
My name is Oyong Obi. My father from here, the indigenous of EFFRAYA. As me, I no grow here, I no marry here. I marry a come pasai. As I tear am like this, now go pick and sow for bush. I go tear am, buy am, come buy am. If I no want sell am fresh like this, I dry am before I sell am.
My name is Matthew EFFRAYA. I'm a Ogbono buyer from the local government, and I am in the two local government. This is the product in my hand, as you can see. So when we buy from here, we take it to Ogbono State and sell. And since many years, this is what I am doing to help myself and my family. So I like the business, that is why I am doing it.
The people who are hired to do this job are paid daily for it. And the owner also makes provision for food and water for the
This food
laborers.
is professional for everybody.
Have you ever visited EFFRAYA or any other place in ETUNG local government? We would love to hear your experience. And stay tuned till next time when we'll bring you more recipes from other regions in Nigeria.